Oh yeah, guys, what's up? This is boy Dennis here again. Today I'm coming with a brand new video which is going to allow you to start making money online, guys. So I'm so sorry I've been quiet for a while. There's some other things that I've been fixing, guys. So but today I'm coming again with a brand new website that's going to allow you to start making money online. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share with your friend who are interested in making money online. Today I'm coming with a website called Paydera.com. Paydera.com is another new website which is we are going to use to start making money online. This is a website. This is a new website. It as you can see, they say 10 your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience using all-in-one solution provided by Paydera. To get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home, no country redirection or instant payment requests, and both mobile and desktop users are accepted. So you make money here by simply completing some simple task or completing some simple surveys. So as you can see, guys, this is a real website. You get paid via unlimited task, inviting friends, and yeah, simple that. To do that, you just need to sign up for sign up task or complete survey, or you make money as uploading videos, inviting friends, writing article, and the all in one, simple as that. Then you are good to go. So as you can see, as I'm recording this video right now, this website is already got 900,030K members, and the task completed more than 7.877 million surveys which are completed, and payment sent already a hundred and 100,516,000 which have been paid to the members. So this is it. And also there's a rate of proof. As you can see here, there's proof of people. So what do they say? You have to read the Paydera is the one and only website that provides a multiple stream of income in one single platform. Means you'll be able to choose what to do with the existing of many options. Complete texts that are easier for you. Complete surveys about your preferred field. Take an unlimited quizzes whenever you want. Invite your friends and family. Avoid working in multiple sites and get your reviews, your revenue spread and hard to withdraw. So guys, there's also proof on this website. There's you can earn money in different ways. That's what I like with this website. So let's check some proof for other members so that you can just trust this website. If we go here, here are the proofs of people who are getting paid. As you can see here, this one already received $30, is already paid, and also this one $30 has been paid, and this one also as well has been paid. And also you can read review about people here. This is called the Asma from Egypt said, I trust Paydera.com. It is true site and I got my payments. I recommended it everybody to start working for this site. It may be a little hard, but it's worth it. I got my payment fast. It is amazing site to work at. I'm going to keep working on this site for sure. So guys, as you can see the reviews about people, all these reviews, people are giving a positive review about this website. So you can go straight and start also making money as soon as possible. These are payments about people making money for sure, guys. So go and start making money also as well. These are proof people are getting money. As you can see, this one here, Apian Mata, I don't know this, but he got 56 also US dollar. They elect in people. Also, there's a lot of people are getting paid here. So, hey, there's a lot. All this, as you can see, all this, they elect to the PayPal account. This one, see. So yeah, as you can see, guys, this is the proof. As you can see, it works. People are getting money, a lot of proof. So you can go through and start working on it. You see, just go by yourself and they start working. I'm gonna also leave the link in the description. So if you want, you can go through and sign up. What to do to start making money? Just go straight here. Wait, say the it's not okay. So once you sign up to that website, you'll be taken to the dashboard, which is going to look like this. As you can see, I've already made a 50 cents while I'm recording this video. So once you are in here, there's a lot of surveys inside here, as you can see, a lot of them, unlimited surveys. So just go one of them, start one of them step by step. As you can see, each surveys, this one is gonna pay you 90 cents, this one's gonna pay 82 cents, this one's gonna pay 82 cents. Let's go to this these surveys, complete them. Complete them and make money, guys. Simple as that. This down, also scroll down here, say if you complete this, you're gonna pay 21 cents, this one 0.3 cents, this one 0.3. Complete all these surveys, guys, and make money. Simple as that. So once you make money, once you complete all those surveys, your money will be here. It's going to appear here. And also, you can also share your link here with your friend and make even more money. So simple as that. Also, I'm going to leave the link in the description. Just go through it and start making money as simple as that. So I hope you understand, guys. In this, so there's nothing which is complicated here. Everything is simple. Just go through it and start making money while you're at home. There's no investment. You just start making money for free, simple as that. So yeah, that's it. I hope, guys, you understand everything. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment down below. I'll be able to answer all the questions that you guys are gonna ask. Then yeah, simple that. This website is a legit 100%. I've done a research, so you can go straight. If once you've made some money and you want to withdraw, because withdraw is only minimum of $5. If you reach $5 and you want to withdraw, just go and complete your payment, put your PayPal account here to the payment setting here. Then you're good to go. Your money will be sent in your PayPal account. You can also use Paye. You can use PayPal. So yeah, simple as that. So sorry, I said is I said you withdraw 5 is the once you reach $30, you can withdraw. No refund required. So once you reach $30, you can withdraw your money directly to your account. So guys, I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, please let me know down below in the comment. Then I will answer every question. So this is a new website. I hope it's going to help you to start making money as soon as possible. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I will see you again in the next video. So see you again. Bye bye, guys.